How do we perceive the world? Through light, airflow, temperature. From the skies and earth to rivers, lakes, and seas. From natural environments to urban development. From individual connections to multi-dimensional perceptions. Expanding the boundaries of vision, transforming data into tangible, understandable explanations. GDU, New Lightweight Automatic Docking Station K02/K03, brings a groundbreaking advancement in the low-altitude sharing economy, allowing for a perceptible world. The K02 Automatic Battery Swap Station is compact and lightweight, with an area of less than 1 square meter. Easily fits in an elevator for straightforward rooftop deployment. The K03 Lightweight Automatic Charging Station is convenient and portable, occupying only 0.36 square meters. Can be easily transported by 2 people. Supports tower deployment. And both are designed with IP55 protection ratings, providing industrial-grade durability. Equipped with an environmental sensing system, it can monitor weather changes in real time, anticipating flying conditions. Includes a built-in temperature control system, able to handle extreme conditions with ease, effectively enhancing operational stability. The K02 Fast Battery Swap System is equipped with 4 battery packs, supports autonomous battery swapping, with highly integrated performance, expanding various application scenarios. The K03 Automatic Charging System supports solar-powered green energy, charges batteries up to 90% in 35 minutes, ensuring instant responsiveness for task execution. From traditional urban governance to smart city development. From a 2-dimensional perspective to a low-altitude, 3-dimensional perspective. Using technology to break through 7 key management areas of urban governance. 3-dimensional coverage of supervised areas. Digital command center for integrated management. Setting flight path missions. UAV auto takeoff, wide surveillance angle, high flight maneuverability, immunity to building obstructions. During landing, visual positioning and RTK positioning systems operate in coordination. More precise landing locations. Rotation of 4 batteries for continuous operation, enabling uninterrupted cycle tasks, executing missions without delay. Including a jump flight system, allowing drones to perform jump flights from Dock A to Dock B, effectively extending inspection operation duration, expanding operational range. Drones can switch to manual flight mode during autonomous operations, providing flexible control to tackle operational goals and emergencies. Relying on automatic dock group to establish a low-altitude data resource pool for the city, achieving collaborative management and data sharing. From traditional manual monitoring to low-altitude multi-dimensional perception, technological breakthroughs address issues such as the extensive inspection range, long distances, high operational difficulty, and lack of network and power. GDU K02 and K03 docks can utilize mesh networking technology in environments without public networks, enabling flexible interconnection of multiple devices. They can also be configured with customized networking solutions, allowing remote control of autonomous operations, even in remote areas without network access. During inspection, infrared thermal imaging quickly identifies faults or potentially damaged photovoltaic units, ensuring timely transmission of inspection data. This reduces omissions and misjudgments, while significantly saving on labor costs. The result is prompt, accurate, and comprehensive monitoring data that efficiently identifies safety hazards. In power-off environments, the K03 can remain in standby mode for extended periods while powered by solar energy, with standby power consumption reduced to 10 watts. Its mobile deployment capability transforms operational vehicles into mobile airports, extending the operational range and enabling flexible on-site command, as well as remote communication and real-time monitoring features. From passive management to active monitoring, a new upgrade in open edge computing. Recognition subjects can be set according to actual application scenarios, allowing for identification to be completed at the front end, reducing the backflow of duplicate data. Edge computing expansion interfaces are reserved, supporting up to 100 T of computing power. This integrates with the backend AI management platform to manage algorithms, analyses, early warnings, and more, supplementing data support and enhancing scientific evaluation capabilities, alongside strong data management capabilities. The K02 and K03 also feature a more robust data firewall, effectively preventing data leaks and ensuring higher security. They support third-party development and private deployment, providing open cloud API MSDK, PSDK interfaces for connectivity with various industry application platforms, using drones as carriers to gather more perceptual information, optimizes performance in environmental protection applications through automated, intelligent, and multidimensional environmental supervision, achieving various regulatory goals. GDU starts from application needs, with a full line of independently developed products, empowering the low-altitude shared economy and unattended systems across diverse industries, establishing a new era of scalable unattended applications, perceiving the world, integrating data with everything.